Matthew, turn right. Wait. Sandali. I'm taking a video.
Oh. Give mo yung gift.
Okay, dalawa kayo doon, Ian. Dalawa na kayo nila.
Sandali,
Sabay na
ba't
kayo.
ayaw?
One by one.
Ashley, place si Ashley dito. Dali mo si Ashley dito.
Matthew, don't do that.
Ashley, stop barking.
Thank you, Matthew.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
I'm going to show.
Ikaw.
Oh,
I'm just taking pictures.
I'm taking a video.
ito yung gift ni Matthew. Thank you.
Suotin niya na bukas.
Matthew. Carry can you carry one?
Then next, dalawa pa pala. There's another one. And there is a card.
Ashley, come here.
For you. Love you so much.
Mama,
Dear
can you
Mommy,
get her?
love you so much, Matthew. And here's another one. Oh, thank you.
Mami, buksan mo.
Ano? Iladlad ko?
Yung isa, yung isa.
Oh, ito. Kasyang-kasya sa akin.
Kasha sa'yo?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Either ends.
Ito naman the other one.
Bakit? Hindi ba kasha? Why?
Ian, next.
Next one's
Yung
Tita
next
Ends.
one from Ashley. The
Where's
blue
the-
one.
This one, eh.
Yeah.
Saan si Ashley? Come,
Nandun
Ashley.
na kami.
Come here, Ashley.
Kami, Ashley. Ayan, ayan. Ayan,
Ashley, come here, baby.
That's your gift, Ashley.
Smile, smile. Here.
Ashley.
Ashley, stop barking.
Here.
Oh, this one is from Ashley, baby. Come, oh, come.
Sit.
Sit.
Stay.
This is from
Girl.
Ashley.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, Ashley, baby girl.
Stay. Ashley.
Quiet.
The next.
This one's mine, right?
Wait.
This is.
Okay.
Thank you, Ian. Kami yata gift ni Ian sa akin.
Mama,
This
what
is
are you
Ian's gift.
Apron, Mommy,
Oh,
apron.
so I need to cook. There's another one.
Apron.
Nice. Malapit na ang winter.
May dress si Mommy, may dress.
This is
Are you taking a
from-
picture?
Here, I'll take a picture.
Wait. Iladlad mo, Mommy. Tumayo kang konti para kita ang dress.
Ah, sige.
Kasha ba sa'yo?
Kasha ko yan. It looks big, Tita Ren.
Is it big?
It looks big.
Baka maano na naman, mag-dilo ka naman ng isa. Kasha daw sa kanya yung damit.
Unbelievable.
Why would you say unbelievable?
Unbelievable.
Hindi ko daw kasha.
Another one is
Ashley gift!
Matthew.
from
Matthew.
Tita Ren. Talagang alam niya wala akong shoes.
Emin! Kasha na kaya?
Anong size ito?
Kasha ko siguro yan.
Ayan na naman, kasha na naman daw ni Ashley.
Kasha ko yan.
Irene.
Sukat mo muna, Mami, kasi kung hindi, susunin natin.
Kung hindi, saan nila?
Suot niya na yung dress ngayon at saka yung sama.
Baka malaki yan. Ano bang size ng paa mo? Sabi mo kasi 6.5 ka or 6.
6 or 6.5.
Sino? Hindi ko din naman.
Maki. trying to have a conversation.
We're talking to them.
Tanggalin yung
We
water.
only talk to them like once a week.
Kasya.
Kasya sa
Good,
atin yan.
pinagkakasya.
Kasya sa amin yan. Kasya sa amin.
Sigurado